Welcome! You're about to embark on a journey to build a thriving community through skill building, strategic partnerships, and creative problem solving. Following these 11 steps brings you closer to transforming ideas into real impact. The first step is to determine if you are going to play the stakeholder's dilemma as a stakeholder or as a GEM team member. A stakeholder is a community leader, age 18 and over, who uses their skills, resources, and influence to drive positive change and solve local challenges. A GEM team member is a young innovator, ages 17 and under, who gains hands-on experience by collaborating on projects, applying their skills, and contributing to the community's creative economy. The second step is to take a skills self-assessment. Before diving in, it's important that we take a moment to identify your strengths. This is where you use the Community On-Demand card game to identify and build your unique skill set. Think of this as your toolkit. Each skill, resource, and strategy will be essential for tackling the challenges ahead. The third step is to start a new game. Look around and ask, what's shaping my community's success, or holding it back? This is where you identify key trends, both positive and negative, that impact your community's economic health. By starting a new game of the stakeholder's dilemma, you're setting the stage to turn these observations into meaningful actions. The fourth step is to coordinate a playdate. Bring your project to life by inviting fellow community stakeholders to participate in a fun and competitive think tank. Playdates are strategic planning sessions where ideas become action plans. Guided by the skill cards of the Community On-Demand card game, everyone contributes resources, brainstorm innovative ideas, and set service goals to develop meaningful and realistic impact solutions. Together, you and your collaborative group of community stakeholders can build a roadmap to tackle the stakeholder's dilemma. The fifth step is to form a junior executive management team. This is where collaboration meets strategy. GEM teams are organizational structures that allow you to assemble your team's combined skills and resources to drive your project forward. Community On-Demand's achievement domain checklists provide a universal framework for choosing service goals that define the roles, tasks, skills, and resources required to implement your solutions. Selected service goals are converted into pre-apprenticeships, service learning projects, mentorships, and job opportunities to implement your stakeholders' dilemma game strategies. The sixth step is to start project execution. With the plan in place, it's time to make things happen. Each team member applies their skills to hit project milestones. Every task brings you closer to your goal and turns the stakeholder's dilemma into a structured action plan. The seventh step is to review your progress and adjust as needed. Midway through, pause to reflect. Evaluate your team's progress and adjust strategies as needed. Are you on track to meet your goals? This checkpoint keeps everyone aligned and ready to push forward with renewed focus. The eighth step is to submit your deliverables. If all tasks are complete, it's time to submit your work. Compile final deliverables, check for quality, and prepare to share your project outcomes. Your efforts have shaped a solution that's ready to be shared. The ninth step is to present to stakeholders and showcase your success. Now's the time to shine. Present the results of your project to key community stakeholders and showcase the impact your collaborative efforts with your GEM team made in the community. Gather their feedback to understand how your work resonates and where it could grow. The 10th step is to present to measure your impact. With the project wrapped up, assess its impact on the community and how well it did meeting the service goals. This phase provides insight into the value of your work and its lasting effects on the community. Congratulations! You've reached the final step, which is to begin the cycle again. Reflect on what you've learned and how you can improve. Each project cycle builds your skills and strengthens your community's creative economy. If you follow these steps, here's what you will achieve. You'll gain and apply valuable skills that are strengthened through real-world challenges. You will contribute to solving socioeconomic challenges that improve your community's creative economy. And you will use your teamwork, leadership, and strategic problem-solving abilities to successfully collaborate with other community stakeholders. If you are ready to start the stakeholder's dilemma, let's play.